In today's digital age, making money online has never been easier, thanks to a myriad of apps designed to boost your income from the comfort of your home. Whether you're looking to earn a small side hustle or want to dive into full-time online work, there are numerous opportunities at your fingertips. One popular app that users swear by is Swagbucks, which pays you for taking surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. Another great platform is Fiverr, where you can offer various services from graphic design to voiceovers and get paid for your skills. For those who love photography, Fope is perfect, allowing you to sell your photos to a global audience. If investing is more your style, Acorns will help you grow your savings by rounding up purchases and investing the spare change. Similarly, Robinhood offers commission-free trades for those interested in stock and cryptocurrency investments. On the other hand, if you're into renting out spaces, Airbnb lets you list your property, creating a passive income stream with minimal effort. For fitness enthusiasts, Sweatcoin converts your steps into a digital currency that can be spent on products or donated to charity. If you prefer sharing your opinion, Survey Junkie offers rewards for completing surveys. For a broader set of tasks, TaskRabbit connects you to local gigs, be it assembling furniture or running errands. If gaming is your passion, Lucktastic offers the chance to win real money by playing scratch-off games. Meanwhile, Upwork provides a platform for freelancers from all industries to find clients. Lastly, Etsy is the go-to for artisans wanting to sell handmade goods. With these 12 apps, making money online has never been more accessible and diverse.